In this video you will learn 10 most profitable ideas for earning without investment. Especially for you, we will map each idea to earn from A to Z, how and what to do to start earning right now. Well, and of course, give practical advice on scaling and exit to the first $100,000. As you have already realized today, we will talk about how to start earning without investment. So, here we go. Chapter 1: Ideas for making money without investment. There are many ways to make money without investment that may be suitable depending on your skills, interests, and available resources. Here are a few ideas. 1. Freelancing. If you have skills in writing, design, programming, translation, or other areas, you can sign up for freelancing platforms. Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, for example, and provide services remotely. 2. Content creation. If you have talent in creating videos, photos, illustrations, or texts, you can start a blog or YouTube channel. Gradually, as your audience grows, you can monetize your content through advertising or sponsorship deals.
Advertisement. Have you heard of Bybit? It is the best platform for investing and earning, and also to realize your financial potential and reach financial freedom. And with the promo code under the video for registration, you will get $1,000 to your real account. Also, we remind you that you can financially support our channel and team through the link in the description. We continue to.
3. Affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs of online stores or online services, and earn commissions on sales or customer referrals through your unique affiliate links. For selling merchandise, you can sell your own products, example, needlework, clothing, jewelry, or other vendors' goods on online marketplaces such as Etsy, eBay, or Amazon. 5. Online learning. If you have expertise in an area, you can create online courses and offer them on learning platforms such as Udemy, Coursera, or Teachable. 6. Earning money from surveys and testing. Some companies offer opportunities to earn by participating in online surveys or testing products and services. 7. Supporting the community. Volunteering or working in the community can lead to rewards in the form of extra perks, or the opportunity to gain experience in an interesting field. 8. Renting a property. If you have spare housing or transportation, you may want to consider renting through platforms like Airbnb or Turo. 9. Social media affiliate program. If you have popular social media accounts, you can partner with brands to promote their products or services with pay-per-post and advertising. 10. Freelance consulting. If you have experience in any professional field, you can provide consulting or advice online to other people or businesses. It's important to remember that making a successful income without investment takes time, effort, and patience. Choose an idea that matches your interests and skills and build your path to financial independence gradually. Chapter 2: Practical advice on each of the ways of earning money presented. 1. Freelancing. Choose your niche. Focus on a specific area in which you have skills and experience. Create an attractive profile. Your profile on a freelancing platform should represent you and your skills well. Look for projects proactively, constantly monitor new projects, and apply on time. Work on quality. The quality of your work is more important than the number of projects. Pay attention to detail. Build your brand. Build your brand as a freelancer gradually so that clients prefer to work with you. 2. Content creation. Choose a platform. Decide where you will post your content: YouTube, blog, Instagram, etc. Set a topic. Decide on a content topic that you are interested in and that your audience has a demand for. Make a content plan. Prepare a plan of posts, videos, or articles for a few months ahead. Create regularly. Being consistent in publishing content will help you attract and retain your audience. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask questions, and create engaging content. 3. Affiliate marketing. Choose products or services that are close to you. Recommendations will be more authoritative if you believe in the product yourself. Research affiliate partners. Find affiliate programs with good terms and reliable companies. Create useful content. Share information and experiences related to the product to convince your audience of its value. Gather feedback. Find out what your audience thinks about the products and improve your recommendations. For selling products, study the market, understand what products are in demand and what your competitors are pricing. Quality and service. provide quality goods, and provide good customer service. Marketing and promotion: use social media, online advertising, and other tools to promote your goods. 5. Online training. Prepare training materials. Create quality training materials or courses. Choose a learning platform. Consider the platforms where you can sell your courses and choose the most appropriate one. Promote your courses. Use marketing strategies to attract students. 6. Make a living from surveys and tests. Sign up on reliable platforms. Look for trusted and reliable platforms to participate in surveys and tests. Fill out your profile completely. The more information you provide about yourself, the more chances you have of getting suitable assignments. Be active. Check the platform regularly for new jobs and surveys. Each of these methods takes time and effort to successfully earn money. It is important to remain persistent, patient, and willing to learn new skills and strategies to achieve financial success. Chapter 3: How to prepare and scale to 100,000. Preparing to get started without investing includes several important steps that will help you maximize your chances of success. Here's what you can do. 1. Determine your goals and motivation. Before you get started, ask yourself questions. Why do you want to earn without investing, and what are your specific goals? The more motivation you have, the easier it will be for you to overcome challenges. 2. Assess your skills and interests. Determine what area you have skills or knowledge in that you can apply to earn money. Working in a field that interests you may be more motivating and fulfilling. 3. Research the market and your competitors. Do your research to understand what ways to make money without investment are popular and who your competitors are. This will help you identify potential niches and develop a strategy. 4. Create an action plan. Determine what specific steps you need to take to start earning. Create an action plan with clear timelines and tasks. 5. Develop an online profile or portfolio. If you are going to work online, create a profile or portfolio that showcases your skills and experience. This could be a profile on a freelance platform, a blog, website, or social media profile. 6. Research the tools and resources you need. Find out what tools and resources you will need for your work. This could include software, apps, books, or training materials. 7. Create a budget. Even if you plan to make money without investing, it's important to have a financial strategy. Create a budget that will help you manage your finances and keep your spending under control. 8. Develop and learn. Earning without investment may require learning and developing skills. Prepare yourself to constantly learn and improve. 9. Be persistent and prepared for setbacks. Not all endeavors are immediately profitable. Be persistent and willing to fail. It is important to learn from your mistakes and move on. 10. Start taking action. The most important step is to start taking action. Don't put off for tomorrow what can be done today. Remember that successful earning without investment takes time and effort. Over time, with motivation and persistence, you will be able to achieve financial independence and reach your goals. Summarizing: so, dear friends, we have looked at several exciting ways to start earning without investment. Not only can this path be financially rewarding, but it can also give you freedom and independence. It's important to remember that success doesn't come immediately, and it takes persistence and hard work. We've discussed freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, selling products, online learning, moonlighting on surveys and testing, and many other opportunities. Choose something that matches your skills and interests, and don't forget to develop yourself. On top of that, don't forget that it's important to be honest, reliable, and dedicated in your work to create long-term relationships with your clients and audience. The world of online earning is changing fast, and there is always room for new ideas and opportunities. The key is to keep at it, strive for excellence, and believe in yourself. We hope that our tips will help you start your journey to financial independence and achieve your goals. Remember that every successful person started from scratch. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for even more useful information. Good luck on your online journey.